So the recent federal ban on the use of micro beads in cosmetic products is definitely a controversial one. While the economic advantages associated with the ease of production of said microbeads is irrefutable, there are menacing downsides linked to the production and transportation of the beads that simply can't be ignored any longer. In his novel Garbology, Edward Humes describes the drastic impact of the beads, roughly the size and shape of plankton, have on marine life and the ecosystem as a whole. As microbead cosmetic products are rinsed down the drain, the microbeads eventually find their way into the ocean, as they are too small to be filtered by water treatment plants. As Hume describes, researchers aboard the New Horizon research vessel found that more than 9%, nearly 1 in 10, of the fish had plastic in their digestive tracts. As larger fish consume the smaller fish, the synthetic beads work their way up the food chain, eventually even posing a risk to human beings. In an extreme example, Hume brings up the death of a young sperm whale that had starved to death. After necropsy, it was discovered that 450 pounds of debris, mostly plastic, was obstructing the whale's digestive tract. To make matters even worse, the porosity of plastic means that the plastic beads act as sponges, absorbing many of the toxins released into the ocean as byproducts of human industry. Thankfully, there's a way out of this mess. As emphasized in an article by Megan Brown of engineering.com, corporations like Terra Verde are already aiming to make commercial-scale production of biodegradable and non-polluting beads a feasible economic option. While these biodegradable beads also have their downsides, they are still being improved and are a huge step forward towards cleaning up our vital oceans. In conclusion, the ban on microbeads is a dramatic step towards a more environmentally friendly future, not only incentivizing the development of bio-friendly technology, but also saving an ecosystem that much of the world's population depends on.